Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get sturdy fast. First, let's break down the core of the sturdy dance. It's all about a consistent, rhythmic bounce, primarily driven by your knees and hips. Think of it as a controlled, energetic sway. We'll focus on mastering this foundational movement, ensuring your body moves with a fluid, yet powerful rhythm. This initial step is crucial for building confidence and coordination in your sturdy routine. Now, let's dive into some essential sturdy movements. Start by integrating the classic two-step with a slight bounce, shifting your weight smoothly. Next, try a leg sweep, extending one leg out and bringing it back with rhythm. Don't forget your arms, they should move naturally, adding to your flow. Keep your knees slightly bent and your core engaged for maximum control and power in every move. Consistent practice is key to getting sturdy fast. Aim for at least 15 minutes every day, focusing on smooth transitions between your moves. Put on your favorite music with a strong, clear beat to help you find your rhythm. Don't be afraid to record yourself. Watching playback can highlight areas where you can refine your technique and add more personal style. Regularity will build muscle memory quickly. To truly refine your sturdy style, experiment with varying your speed and energy. Try performing the moves slowly, then gradually increase your pace. Observe other dancers for inspiration, but always aim to infuse your own personality into the steps. The most important aspect is to dance with confidence and enjoy the process. Remember, practice makes perfect, and your unique flair will shine through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.